What equation goes in this area over here? So my far left-hand one, wherever I'm over here, this is y equals negative 1/2 x plus 3, right? Because I'm less than negative 3. Okay, what equation goes in between negative 3 and negative 1? Yeah, there isn't one. And that's what starts causing confusion. Do I have any inequality up here that talks about in between negative 3 and negative 1? No. So that means I leave that area blank. It's okay. Okay, in between negative 1 and 1, I have y equals x squared. Between 1 and 3, again, I don't have an inequality that talks about that, so I leave it blank. Okay, x is greater than 3, y equals negative 2. So you'll have some that might have you leave areas blank. That is okay. So I wanted to do this because if I don't, the first time you see that, you'll freak out. Or some people might, oh my God, I have to have something there. Why is that area empty? It's okay. All right, so let's see. To do this, 1, 2, 3, I go down 1 over 2. That's the wrong direction. So I need to go up 1 over 2. Up 1 over 2. That put my dot over there. No, I started at 3. But the problem is my dot didn't hit my dotted line. How big of a problem is that? Not big. I just draw my line, and wherever I hit that dotted line, I put my dot because it's equal to. Yeah. I say if you're plotting points, if you plot points and you plug that in, you're gonna get 4.5. So just guesstimate 4.5. Yeah. If you choose not to, you choose not to. As long as you get the right answer, you're fine. Valeria? Huh? Okay, so the middle one, yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, Brooke. Okay, in the middle section, we have x squared. So let's draw our x squared. So we have our vertexes at 0, 0, over 1, up 1. These can be dots because we're equal to. And draw in our little tiny parabola there. Yep. That's why we covered the parent functions, and then we covered the shifting. Okay, y equals -2 for this outside, so -2, and we go over. And that one's equal, so I also have a dot there. And that one's good. So you guys okay with that?
So with all of them, unless there's like 2 or whatever number, you always start at like 0, 0, but you don't draw into the line.
Yep. I mean, don't necessarily. And like this one, our y-intercept was 3, so I started at 3, and then I use my slope from there.
You start with the
Yeah.
y-axis. Okay.
Okay, now, your book doesn't have very many of these. So this is one of the times where I'm going to have you go ahead and do all of them. Now you're going to go, but I don't have the answers to the evens. Okay. Yes, there are websites where they give you the answers. Also, I have the teacher edition, which you guys are more than welcome to flip through and look at the answers also. I'm not trying to hide the answers from you. You are more than welcome to the answers.